Hey, woodworking enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something special on the table, or should I say, workbench? We're diving into the world of Ted's Woodworking, and I've got the lowdown on whether it's worth the sawdust. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our woodworking adventures. So, what exactly is Ted's Woodworking? Well, it's an extensive collection of woodworking plans created by Ted McGrath. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this product claims to have something for everyone. It includes over 16,000 plans, ranging from simple birdhouses to complex furniture pieces. But is it the real deal? Let's talk benefits. First and foremost, variety. The sheer number of plans means you'll likely find something that tickles your woodworking fancy. From easy-peasy projects to advanced carpentry, Ted's Woodworking has you covered. Plus, the detailed instructions and blueprints aim to make even complex projects more accessible. Another perk is the time you'll save. No more scouring the internet for plans or spending hours trying to figure out measurements. Ted's Woodworking consolidates it all in one place, potentially saving you countless hours in the workshop. The third benefit? Customization. The plans serve as a foundation, but there's plenty of room for personalization. This flexibility can be a game changer for those looking to put their own unique stamp on their creations. Now, let's talk about who Ted's Woodworking is for. If you're passionate about woodworking and want a treasure trove of plans at your fingertips, this might be for you. It caters to a broad skill range, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned carpenters looking for fresh inspiration. On the flip side, if you're not into woodworking or prefer buying pre-made furniture, Ted's Woodworking might not be your cup of sawdust. It requires an investment of time and effort, so if you're not ready to roll up your sleeves, this might not be the right fit. Before we go any further, a crucial warning. Be wary of purchasing Ted's Woodworking from unofficial sources. To ensure you get the genuine product, with all the plans and bonuses, make sure to buy directly from the official website. This not only guarantees authenticity, but also ensures you have access to any updates or additional content that might be released in the future. All right, fellow woodworkers, if you're ready to up your game and unlock a world of projects, check out the link in the video description to head straight to the official Ted's Woodworking website. And hey, if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your woodworking buddies. Don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking wisdom. Until next time, keep crafting those masterpieces.
Hey everyone, Barry here in Nebraska. I'd like to give a big shout out to Ted. I recently came across Ted's Woodworking online course, and I'm so glad that I did. The amount of plans included with the program simply blew my mind. The content they offer with the course provided me with so many ideas for creative projects, as well as some awesome furniture ideas and plans that my wife now wants in our home. If you're considering buying Ted's Woodworking course, the return on your investment will be lifelong. Being one that loves woodworking, I have to say, they offer the most detailed collection of plans I've ever seen. I would also rank it as one of the best values of any woodworking course I've ever taken. Thanks for creating it, Ted. You did well.
Hey Ted and the rest of the team over at Ted's Woodworking. It's John here from the UK, and I can't thank you enough for the plans. I can build things now that I never thought possible for me to do and make them look good. If I had to boil it down to just one single moment, I think the catalyst that started my woodworking journey, it would be the time when I purchased Ted's collection of plans. All I can say is, if you have ever wanted to get into woodworking and didn't know where to start, this is the package to get. You'll find plans to almost any project that you can think of, which makes it very easy to get started.